As always, this is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's just damp. This shirt has already been turned inside out, and all we're starting with is a scrunch. This one's not symmetrical, so let's kind of this one going and scrunch it up. Alrighty, off to dye. Alright, for this I will be using Earth Brown from Custom Colors, Bronze from Custom Colors, Shiitake Mushroom, and Olive Drab, and both of those are from Dharma. I've put an aluminum boat underneath, and I'm going to layer shaved ice over the top of everything. Over the top of the shaved ice, I'm going to put the shiitake mushroom. I'm going to sprinkle some soda ash over the top of that. And I'm going to put some ice down. And then I'm going to apply the rest of the three colors just randomly over the top. Go ahead and start with the Earth Brown. We'll let that melt through and then decide where to go from there. It's been about 36 hours, so let's do this wash up. Alright, let's take a quick look. So I'll throw that in the wash and we'll take a final look. Here's the final results. So you know my usual here. It's not what I planned on it looking like. Okay, generally it is. I was going after the little veins, that type of thing. This is a little heavy-handed around the edge. Probably shouldn't have put that olive drab so heavy on the outside edge, and I probably wouldn't have that heavy-handed look on the outer edge. But it still works. I was going for a marbled type of stone, natural, whatever you want to say, look, and with more earth tones, fall colors, whatever you want to go with. And that worked out well. I think overall, the shirt is really good. It's not my normal bright type of shirt, but it definitely works for the colors that are used, and it almost works with that whole camo kind of look. There's the oddity is the shiitake that was, or chamois, I honestly can't remember, that I laid down first. There's some odd hints at color throughout that I don't think are going to show up on the video. But other than that, because it's not, yeah. Anyway, it's almost like a light blue to me, but I'm colorblind, so it's going to be kind of hard to say what that color actually is. But it still works really well. Definitely a camo type of look. So, let me know what you think below, and until next time, thanks for watching.